Okay, good morning, chemistry. Wanted to give you a rundown of what we're doing today and check in, of course, and then also address the test that we recently had for Chapter 8. First, what we're doing today. We're going to do a survey of Section 9.2 with calorimetry. We're not going to do a deep dive into the math with AP tests going on for everyone. I need a little bit more time to produce the example videos and look through those and see which problems are really essential, which we can afford to ditch, and all that sort of thing. So we're going to do a deep dive into it on Wednesday when we meet again, but for today, get familiar with it, watch the videos, kind of get the idea, some of the concepts behind calorimetry. All right, now second thing for the test, I went ahead and added in the extra credit from the quiz. It was 4 questions at 5 points a question. Some of you got the full 20 points, some of you got no points. So it is just based on accuracy, and those problems were taken from the quiz. So if you went back from the quiz and said, okay, this is where I'm struggling, or let me ask for help, let me ask my student for help, let me figure this out, let me look up YouTube videos, whatever, then you should have gotten some points back. Now, for the test. So here's how the test was graded, and here's why I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm going to leave it as it is because the test was 20 questions, and but they were at 4 points a question. All right, so that only adds up to 80 points. Now, I went ahead and gave you 20 points towards your grade just for taking the test. So if you took the test and got all the questions wrong, you would have gotten a 20. All right, so I think that's 20%. That's almost a quarter of the test is participation. Then we had a curve of 4 points, which isn't as big as some of the ones we've done in the past, but that means you automatically get 24 points towards your grade. All right, so starting at 24 points, starting with a quarter of the test already taken care of, and the whole test being multiple choice, I think that gives you all a fair shot. And I'm gonna leave it as it is. We'll have a few more assignments before the year is out. So just to give you some test stats for where they're at with the curve, with the 20 points added and all that, the average score was a 78.9, so basically 80%, or B average. We had 2 100s in the gold class. We had several A's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 A's. Looks like we had 3 B's and 1 C. So, I think this distribution works. I think it's effective. Hopefully you're, doing what you need to do on your end. And taking the time to learn the material, and when you don't understand it, you can ask, and doing taking the feedback that I'm giving out on the homework and applying that as well. So that's the announcement for the test. That's what we got to do today, and I will see you all on Wednesday.